Hey YouTube, so I just recently purchased these rubber mats for my Toyota 4Runner, and these things smell horrible. They smell like chemicals and just the nastiest rubber smell, enough to make you gag. So I want to get rid of that smell, and I'm going to show you how to do that today with, if you're purchasing any rubber floor mats like this, the all-weather ones, how to get that smell out, because if you've bought these before, you know what I'm talking about. It's just a nasty, horrible smell. Don't want to smell that every time getting in the truck. So what you're going to need is just any kind of soap. So I got some Dawn here, just dish soap. And then you're going to want to get some white wine vinegar. Doesn't matter, just vinegar works. So I'm going to start off by filling up this bucket that I have here with enough water just to cover the floor mats. And I'm going to put this stuff in. I'll show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and put the water in. Okay, so now that I got the water in the bucket, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here with some soap. I've got my handy little brush here, which is going to help me scrub that onto the floor mats. And what I'm going to do now is take the floor mats, throw them in here into the water, take some soap, as you can see, just dumping it in there. Don't be afraid to get that nice and soapy. Just take my hand, move that around a little bit, kind of scrub that on there just a tad. On the floor mats like that. Just kind of stirring up the soap so it mixes with all the floor mats, gets on them all. So I got the soap in there. Now that I got the soap in there, what I'm going to do here is take the vinegar, and I would like to use at least a cup of it, if not a little more, doesn't matter. Opening this brand new bottle here. So what I'm going to do, go ahead and dump this in like so. Slow pouring, but you can see just getting this in here like this. Okay, that looks about enough. Now that I've got that in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that around like so with the soap. Just kind of shaking it all around in here. Stirring it all up, hitting all the floor mats. Okay. So now that I've got that in there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait at least 30-45 minutes, leave these sitting here, come back to it, we'll get the water out, wash them off, see how they do. Okay, so it's been about 25 minutes now. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and turn the mats over inside this bucket here, and it will just kind of re-stir everything up, and just let them sit for about another 20 minutes or so. Pull them out, wash them off, see how they smell, see if it's done its job. Just kind of stirring it up a little bit. Set them back underwater there, and like I said, we'll give it about another 20 minutes or so, and then we'll take these out, wash them off with some fresh water, and again, see how they smell from there. Okay, so I've had these mats sitting in here about 50 minutes or so now, and they've been sitting here obviously in this soap and this vinegar mixture. So what I'm going to do is wash them with fresh water now, and then I'm going to let them dry out and see if they smell afterwards. I'm excited to see the results of this. Okay, so I've had the mats sitting in there for about 50 minutes or so in the soap and the vinegar, and I've got them dried out. Now I'm ready to see how they smell. So usually what I do is I let these sit in there for at least a day or so in that mixture of the vinegar and soap, but I wanted to test it out really quick and see how it would do within under an hour, see if it would actually fully take the smell away. So here we go, let's see how it is. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's definitely taken a lot of the smell out. Surprisingly, a lot less strong chemical and rubber smell. Now you're smelling just a little bit of vinegar, but you're still smelling a little plasticky, that rubbery chemical smell. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let these sit in there in that bucket for the rest of the evening, and tomorrow they should be good. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. And that was my video here on showing you how to quickly clean your rubber floor mats from new when you buy them from the store, the all-weather mats. It's fairly quick, but I would let this sit overnight. Under an hour, they do the job really well. But again, I want to get this fully out, so I'm going to leave them in there overnight. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.